Look at it.
Is it cups now?
Yep.
Did you get
Protein shake. That's all I did. I kind
pistachio vanilla?
of supplement
That one?
bottom shelf shake protein powder. So.
Okay. Yeah. Do you think I was gonna go over here and organize it all? What's she doing?
A little bit.
What are you doing? Oh, because you took home and okay.
That's how it feels.
I got to scroll for a little bit. I got to sit outside with Chloe, my cat. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, and Sadie usually wakes up at about 8:30. Ready to go take a shower, get ready for the day, and then I will be fully present. Pistachio coffee is actually so good. I can smell it even though I finished the whole coffee. I'm trying to fix my posture. I'm always hunched. I'm like chronically hunched. I'm gonna start developing like throw some everything bagel seasoning on top of my eggs. Okay, so this is Sadie's plate, and I give her a little bit of everything because she is a very picky eater, a texture eater. So eggs are new. We just started eating these. The watermelon has to be cut up really small, and it has to be room temp, and then the waffles have to be cut really small too. That's just the way my baby is. Waffle with butter. Ooh. Wanna try it? Good job. You like it? Okay. Toast. Yummy. One bagel, fourth of an avocado, and about one egg. I'm not sure how much watermelon. Of course, when I was worried about feeding Sadie, I burnt the other half of this toast, so I only have that one. Neither one of us are feeling good. Take a nap, and we will see you guys tomorrow.